everyone, Sam from the Body Centre here. Today I want to bring you guys some more knowledge of an insurance repair. As a lot of you may know, we are a manufacturer approved body shop, not an insurance approved body shop. I'm going to pass you over to the team who are going to give you some advantages on why you should choose your own body shop rather than the body shop who your insurance company tries to persuade you to use. Let's go.
It is 100% your choice who you choose to repair your car through your insurance company.
Here at the Body Centre, we only use genuine parts to maintain our quality repairs, unlike other body shops who are only insurance approved who use non-genuine parts.
TEAM BODYCENTRE has access to all manufacturer repair methods.
TEAM BODYCENTRE uses the best materials and paints available on the market. And why would you want cheaper products applied to your car when it can affect colour matching and durability?
If you choose TEAM BODYCENTRE, we uphold all our manufacturers' paint and body warranty for all our approvals.
TEAM BODYCENTRE carries out 0 smart repairs.
No appointments are needed. You can pop in at your convenience. We have 3 estimators on site at all times.
TEAM BODYCENTRE will supply you with a free courtesy vehicle for the duration of your repair, even if your policy doesn't allow one.
Some insurers may add an additional excess should you choose to use a repairer outside of their network. If this happens, please give us a call and our team will be more than happy to help and advise.
So guys, just remember it is 100% your choice where your vehicle is repaired through insurance. I hope this video has gave you much more of an understanding on how an insurance claim works. Please like this video, share this video, comment on this video so we can get this to as many people as possible. Thank you for watching. See you next time.